Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and on today's video is chef tips. A few tips that you can have that I've learned throughout my culinary career as a regular chef and as a vegan chef. And I would love to share you some of my tips that I use here in my very own kitchen. One thing that I love is creamy sauces, something that can replace mayo or cream. One of the best recipes here on YouTube, and it still stands to be the best, is a cashew based dressing. One of the things that I want to show you today is an amazing cashew ranch and a cream that you could be using for your baleadas, tacos, beans, anything you want. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a nice cream. The cream, cashew cream base, is super easy to make, and you can use it for any other nuts that you have that are affordable in your area. And then we're also going to make a delicious ranch. So let's show you how to make it. I'm going to add the cashews. This is a cup of cashews soaked. So we add that in. We're going to add a cup of fresh water. Remove the dirty water and add fresh water. Then I'm going to add about a pinch of salt. Now we blend. Part of it will be left without any ingredients, and it'll be a creme. Another part of the cashew cream here will be a ranch, some dill. I'm going to add some smoked paprika, and here I'm going to make a ranch. I'm going to add smoked paprika, just a touch, and some dill. This is as much as you prefer. If you don't like dill, you don't have to put a lot. I like dill quite a lot, so I'm going to add a good amount. I also want to add some parsley flakes and give it a good mix. And this is going to be our ranch, our homemade ranch. You could also use sunflower seeds, but I think that cashews has the perfect balance of sweetness, that you don't have to use any sweetness. Oops. And there you have it, our ranch. Now we just place it in a jar. And we use it up. This is great for pizzas, dip it on pizzas, dipping it on fries, and there we go. Creaming up anything. I'm going to add some water and save it to use it for something else. But here we go. Here's our cream and our ranch. All right, everyone. And there you have it, our amazing dressings. We have our cream dressing, and then we have our ranch dressing, which is so delicious. I'll be making recipes for you coming up shortly. Small recipes of quick and easy plant-based Mexican recipes, or anything that comes up to mind. Sometimes I'm not craving Mexican, I'm craving like Asian, but I'll show you how to utilize these awesome creamy dressings to make your life an outstanding experience. A lot of people may say that vegans don't eat good, but I think that if we understand, it's all about chemistry. It's all about replacing the fats with other fats that you feel it's ethical, you feel it's good. or replacing the proteins with other proteins that you feel is good. Or you can replace, the carbohydrates with the carbohydrates you think, based on the research that you've done. Make sure you do enough research. You research nutrition, plant-based, cure and prevention of diseases. Make sure you jump on the research, because there's a lot of clinical trials, there's a lot of research that talk about plant-based foods, high fiber foods have a lot of medicinal and healing properties, and also preventable properties, which leads me to the assumption that the real big issue here is humans are eating out of their diet. There's a biological diet that is given to every animal that lives here that we should follow. And when we don't follow it, we get different diseases and inflammations like diabetes and high cholesterol and lupus and autoimmune diseases and heart attacks. Like, did you know that we don't have to die out of a heart attack? And literally everyone, 99% of the humans here on earth have died from a heart attack or something else, like something tragic, like being killed or automobile. But one of the biggest reasons why people die is because of a heart attack, because we're eating animals that have saturated fats, we're consuming fats, we're consuming ingredients that have saturated fats, they have oils, they have things that can build up in our body and cause destruction and prevention of things to flow right. Like, for example, when we eat saturated fats, we cause plaque to develop in the body. Eventually, it would lead us to a heart attack. Consuming processed ingredients like processed oils like olive oil and Crisco and butter, things like that are processed. And you want to eat as little of processed as possible, like nuts. You want to replace your fat with nuts, which is what I would do if I want to still enjoy life, still enjoy a good bite to eat, but I don't want to give myself a heart attack. I don't want to die of a heart attack. I want to make sure that I die from natural causes, or if, something happened to me, whatever. Something that I can prevent. I'm hoping that that doesn't happen. Cross my fingers, and I just die from natural causes. And I think that that is all of our goals, is to die from natural causes. Not die from a heart attack that is not normal. It's not normal to die from a heart attack. That's a disease that was more than preventable when you were alive, if you just took the time to research and to learn nutrition and to learn about medicinal health and just preventing diseases. But together, we will teach ourselves. Together, we'll keep studying and learning more about that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.